Hi everyone, welcome back to a new TristArtist bullet journal video. So my name is Trista. I saw that there were a lot of new subscribers. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. It means a lot to me that you subscribe to my channel. I've been MIA a bit because I had corona. My husband and I got corona and it was not pleasant, but we got through it, and I'm really happy to film this video for you all today. It was highly requested. It is the 2021 setup video. Now, I did make my setup without filming it, so it will be a flip through and I will be making one page or one spread because I really wanted to take my time with this one, just make a spread here and there, so not making it in one go, if that makes sense. And it got the pressure off a little bit, so that was nice, but I still wanted to show it to you because it can give you some inspiration for yours. I know this video is a bit late, but that was because I was sick. But now here it is, and without further ado, let's head into the video. The bullet journal that I'll be using for 2021 is this beautiful kind of emerald green one. It's called Deep Green on the Archer and Olive website. And I love the little charm right here. And it is so cute. I love the gold. The style that I'm going for in this journal is kind of minimal but scrapbooky. So I use a lot of stickers, paper, washi tape. I'm keeping it really simple. Here is a picture of my husband and I when we got engaged, and some of my stickers and labels that I made. I have a little key right here. The stickers that I used here are from my own sticker set that I made. It is called the Magic Fortune Teller sticker sheet, I believe, and one is in color. I also have a black and white one if you prefer that. And I use these stickers from my monthly and weekly sticker sheet. The black stars are from this one. You will see that I use mostly neutrals and pink colors in this setup, so these stickers suit that very well. Onto my future log. I made these stickers because I was so done with writing all of the calendars out and get serious hand cramps. I made little labels on top with this washi tape that I use a lot. It is from AliExpress. And of course I used my Amazon stamping kit. I love this. I've used it for my 2020 journal and I'll be using it for this one as well. I love to make little labels on the sides of paper that I got at the thrift store, just from a thrift store book, and I think it looks really vintagey and yeah, just really cute, so I did that. Just like in my last journal, I created two separate parts for my yearly overviews. So one part is for work and one part is for personal things like birthdays, other events, holidays, stuff like that. And here I plan out administration, videos, behind the scenes stuff, and I really like that. I also use some of my pink moon stickers and a lot of star stickers. The little constellation stars you see here I got from my Thorns and Roses sticker set, and sometimes I just ripped off a piece, put it here, put it there, so it is more balanced, and I really like it. It is so cute with the kind of magical stickers and the stars. I love stars and moons, as you might know by now, so that is really cool. My next spread is my 2020 goal spread, and I made a section for my personal life and of course my work life. I think this is really important to keep yourself accountable, keep yourself focused on things you want to achieve in life. Over here I have my birthday section. I am really bad at reminding birthdays, so I really need this one. And again, I used my monthly and weekly stickers for these. So all of these headers are just stickers. It is so quick and easy to make spreads this way, so I am really happy that I made these. They are fairly neutral and kind of vintagey looking, so I think it fits with most themes for your journal. This is one of my favorite spreads that I made. I love to read books and I read quite a lot in 2020, also due to lockdown, but I want to read more in 2021. I created a little bookshelf situation here and added some of my plant stickers. I think it looks really cute and would look really cool filled in, so I would write down names of the books and maybe color them in. Maybe I will keep them black and white. I think I will keep them black and white. That will look really cute. And over here I have my reading log. I can write down the title of the book right here and the date, or I can use this little stamp that I have. I think this is so cute. And over here I can give a rating, like 4 out of 5 stars, for example. Next up is my movie log, and I love to watch movies. So this is probably not enough for all of the movies that I will be watching in 2021, but I will definitely keep track of my favorite ones. It is set up just as my reading log. So over here I write down the title, give it a date stamp right here, and give my rating. I am really excited for this page. I will print out the posters of my favorite movies and just place them right here. Maybe write down the title or the date that I've seen the movie. I think this is going to look really cool all filled in. Next up we have my grid cheat sheet. I made it kind of similar as my last one. So if you don't know what this page is, it is really handy to create kind of a grid, so you can refer to this page when you are making spreads in your journal. I don't use this a ton, but I still wanted to keep it because I used it enough in my last journal. Next up is my cycle spread. So over here I can track my period, I can track when I have sex. I think it is important to have a healthy sex life, but also it is important when you do want to get pregnant or you don't want to get pregnant to keep track of these things. Also, I have some serious cramps and PMS issues, so I wanted to keep track of that as well as when I am ovulating and kind of the stages of my period. Next up is my 21 highlight page, and in the theme of keeping gratitude in our hearts, in my heart, I really wanted to make this page. I used the monthly stickers, the monthly weekly stickers again. I must say I'm really excited for this spread. I can't wait to see it all filled in next year and see all the great highlights of my life, things that happened. The next spread I will be making with you guys. So I want to make a self-love affirmation spread right here and maybe a wish list spread right here. Not sure yet. We are going to start off with the label, and I'm using my black ink and my Amazon stamping kit for this one. Now I'm going to cut off the edges and rip the sides, just like so. And you have a little label right there. And of course I'm also using the pink grid washi tape. For my stickers I'll be using this little rainbow. Let's see, should I put it right there or here? I think it will be cute right here. And maybe this one. Ooh, that's cute. Over here I will be making the same label, but then just with affirmations, so self-love affirmations. I like to play with the highs and lows of the headers, like so. Yes, I think this will be cute. Let's see if I want to add some more stickers. Maybe a little star right there. Like so. And lastly, I'm going to add another star right here. Now I don't really know what to do with the rest of the page. Of course I want to write things down, but maybe just by drawing a background line with this marker. I decided to add some more stickers at the bottom so it was a little bit less empty, and I think I'm going to leave it like this. Now let's do a little quick flip through of all of my pages. As you can see, I kept it quite simple, using a lot of stickers, washi tape and stamps. I really noticed that it made it a lot easier to use these stickers. It is very neat, very quick, and it looks really cool in my opinion. So if you want to order any of these stickers, my shop will be reopened on the 7th of January. And I really like this new sticker sheet that I made. I think I'm going to use it for my January setup, so make sure to look out for that. So that was it for this video. I hope that you liked it. Please like and subscribe if you did. You can follow me on Instagram to see kind of behind the scenes, maybe of me making new stickers or other things that are going on in my life. Yeah, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!